Here at the Ageless Adept, we believe that nature is perfect. We believe that nature is foolproof, and if we want to find answers to particular issues, we don't go looking to men in white lab coats with little blue pills to find the answers. We look to nature, we look to natural understanding of how things work. Now, it may seem counterintuitive, but as a man, what I've found is that if I wanted a play date, a nighttime play date to go well, things to last long and strong, what I would do is not bulk up on food, not eat a lot. Actually, things work better if I was empty, if the amount of accumulation was reduced. And what I found also is if I were to do a colonic or coffee enema or some sort of cleanse prior, then that would actually help things function a little bit better. So what I'm going to suggest is that you look to, if you're in a situation where things aren't functioning correctly, that you look to nature for your answer. Now, from an evolutionary perspective, and nature's prime directive is survival of the species. Now, if things aren't working well, then there are a couple different reasons why that could be happening, and I go over those later on. But the main concept that I want to get across is that the reason why you are not able to function, why things aren't working well, and why you're not able to fulfill nature's prime directive of continuing the species is because nature has determined that you are unfit to breed. Now, why is that important? That's important because if you think that health is random based on luck, then you're more likely to seek solutions from an unnatural source. You're more likely to think that a little blue pill can cure what's wrong with you. But if you look to nature for your answer, then you'll have a slightly different perspective and you'll have a slightly different path to go on to find the answer. And so if you're looking to pills, there will be some benefit provided, meaning that there will be some stimulant effect, there will be some increase in blood flow that's possible because of even certain herbs or pharmaceuticals. But those will be short term. Those won't actually solve the issue. They may, in the short term, and it's totally understandable that someone would want a short term fix for their situation. But in the long run, there are going to be consequences. If you are taking pharmaceuticals, there are always going to be side effects, harm that's caused to the body by these unnatural substances. So, however, if you look to nature, if you realize that the reason that things aren't working well is because nature has determined that you're unfit to breed, then everything that you can do to make yourself fit to breed is going to increase your performance, going to improve your performance and make things function better. So it's a long-term fix, but it's a more natural fix and it's a lasting fix without side effects. Because if you get your body into a state where it is now functioning perfectly, you're now going to be passing on good genes to the next generation and fulfilling nature's mandate, then things are going to work much better for much longer without harmful side effects. So what I go into in Fit to Breed are, one, some of the causes that you might not be aware of why things may not be working correctly in a particular situation, but also some of the fixes that are based on the clean cell protocol, keeping the body clean, keeping the body cleansed so that things function perfectly. So that's what Fit to Breed is all about. I'll talk more about this issue in another video. But on that note, check it out and see if some of the information there is helpful to you. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.